Na! Ato yan. Wow, Ilocano mo? Winner siya dun sa national costume pero medyo kinulang yung kanyang tourism video. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
And Ali.
Ayan, so for today's vlog ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction video para sa national costume and tourism video ng isa sa delegates for Binibining Pilipinas 2024, the 60th edition. This time is Binibini 40. That's Myrna Esguerra from Abra. And without any further ado,
Let's go!
Na! Ato yan. Wow, Ilocano mo?
A beautiful province in the heart of Cordillera Administrative Region of the Philippines, renowned for its picturesque landscapes featuring nurturing hills, verdant valleys, and meandering rivers.
Ay, wow.
Serves as the origin of Tingyan tribe, who's rich in cultural heritage and traditions.
Tingyan.
A home to heroes and powerful women throughout the history, contributing to its vibrant cultural tapestry and resilient spirit. This is the province of Abra.
Wow. I love the conviction to Abra.
Abra is recognized as the natural dye capital of the Philippines and a home to a traditional clothing industry, specializing in producing fine-woven fabrics,
ethnic indigenous nung
which is
features.
colored using dyes that are sourced locally. This combination of traditional weaving techniques and natural dyes results in beautiful, cultural significant textiles that embody the heritage and artistry of Abreños.
Pag sinabing beautiful, tingnapat talaga sa mukha niya.
Gets na namin po. Napintas nga ron.
Cultural and economic significance of this craft. This festival showcases the intricate skills of the weavers, preserving and honoring their rich heritage while fostering community pride and cultural continuity.
Ang ganda niya, pero yung video ang daming slow-mo.
Named after an epic heroine of the Tingyan people of Abra. Embodying the essential qualities of a great Abreñan.
Ang ganda ng color. Dalawa.
Compassion, courage, and strength,
serving
as a powerful symbol of the cultural and moral values established by the Tingyan community.
Yun yung parovale, yung white na parang.
Dulimaman continues to inspire and uphold the rich heritage and resilient spirit of the people of Abra.
Mahirap siya dalhin kasi it's very sturdy.
This piece aims to represent the province nationally and even internationally.
Wow!
Living products of the province, because what we have is something raw, sustainable, unique, and world-class.
Ganda ha, ganda. Meron siyang huwag ka mang naninigaw. Pero hindi, ang ganda ng kanyang national costume and winner siya dun sa national costume pero medyo kinulang yung kanyang tourism video. Ang daming shots na nakafocus sa kanya, sa mukha niya. So parang hindi masyadong na-showcase.
Siguro quantity. Pero maganda naman yung quality ng video nila actually. Tsaka yung mga sinasabi, yung kulang lang sa bilang din siguro.
Yung mga clips or mga ganyan.
Ipapakita.
Yung lang siguro variety. Anyhow, tumungo tayo sa napakagandang national costume na gawa ni Richard Strands.
Wow!
So, ang ganda niya. Tsaka ang ganda ng mukha niya.
Iba talaga yung iba talaga yung costume na it feels like it's a couture, it feels like it's a sculptural work. Kumbaga,
work of art.
Ayan, so, isa siyang malaking di ba? Who would have known na isang basket?
Malaking utang, malaking...
Hindi, isang malaking basket yung isusuot mo sa national costume, di ba?
So, out of sa ating mga napanood, ito yung napaka-unique. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dun sa niya is very sophisticated, very pang export quality na sustainable pa rin yung gawa niya, di ba? So, ang ganda.
Oo, nahihiwagaan lang ako how do they transport that kind of costume. Na nafo-fold ba yan? Or
ano siya, pwede siyang lagyan ng liquid tapos magiging liquid siya, ilalagay siya sa jar.
Wow! Tapos pag nandun na, lalagay sa tubig, magaganon.
Lalagay ng powder. pero hindi, I mean, ang face value ni ate, Diyosa.
Diyosa. Siya ang may pinaka-define ng cheekbones.
Nahawakan mo.
Oo. It feels like na meron siyang parang Mongolian descent, parang mga ganon. Pag sa China pa yan or sa...
So, ayun. And congratulations and good luck sa journey mo, Myrna Esguerra. Thank you so much at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!